So we're an entirely women-run company.
Fantastic.
It just turned out that way, but it's been wonderful because we're all women engineers.
Oh, hello.
Here's our joins.
This is great.
This whole experience, it just is a dream come true.
Elaine and Parastoo now join the thousands of scientists who've performed research aboard the International Space Station, making the most of what microgravity has to teach us. This dedicated group is bringing what they learn back to Earth, helping improve lives and advance exploration.
What Space Station gives us is a different sort of laboratory, and what's really meaningful to me is to be able to come back down and talk with my patients and let them know about some of the discoveries we made. This means a lot to me as a clinician, and so it was really neat to be able to perform that sort of science on station.
The energy that everyone has who's involved in space research is extremely contagious. And so you just get hyped up about it because everyone else is so excited about it. Yes, the timelines are long, but everyone is so positive and certain that they're doing a good thing and that the money is well spent. And that is what drives people to keep doing this sort of research.
Microgravity still has more insights to reveal, and this laboratory, like no other, will continue to uncover them, one experiment at a time.